Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Fedora Linux on your Android device. First, head to your browser. I provided the link to this page in the video description. Now scroll down and you should see Mobox PC emulator installation. Click on Termux under the required files to download Termux. Now let's click on details and then install. Now we can click on done, head back to your home page and then open Google Play Store. Here we are going to search for Androinix. Install. And we're also going to search for RVNC, which stands for RVNC. So let's search for that. Now let's install. After installing Termux, RVNC and Androinix, we can close Google Play Store. So here we go. We have Termux, we have RVNC viewer, and lastly we have Androinix. Now first let's open Androinix. And for the distribution, we are going with Linux distribution. So click on Linux. And here we are going to scroll down to find Fedora Linux. So this is Fedora, click on it and then select desktop environment. Now the desktop environment we're going to use is XFCE, so just click on it and it should automatically copy the command we need. Now we can close this and then open Termux. Now simply paste in the command we just copied from Androinix and then hit enter to proceed. Now this process should download and install all the packages needed and also install Fedora as well. Now make sure to stay close to your device as you would have to enter Y for yes if you get any prompts like this and continue. And after the installation you get to this page. Here we are going to set our password which we can use to access this machine and verify the password as well. And then we're also going to set a view only password. Yes, enter the password which we want to set as view only password. Continue and verify the password as well. Now we are done with setting up. We just have to wait few more minutes to install the browsers and we should be ready. Now the installation is complete, so we can close this and open RVNC. Now click on next, 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 and then get started. Now click on the button at the bottom right corner for RVNC, and then here we are going to input the address which is localhost 5901, which is our port number. And then for the computer name you can call it whatever you want. So we're just going to call this Fedora and then click on create. Now let's continue and then click on OK. Now let's enter our VNC password we set earlier. Continue, and that's all basically. So basically this is how to install and run Fedora on your Android device. Now you can use this to access file managers, install softwares and use it for whatever you want to. Now to stop this process from running, simply close RVNC, head back to Termux, and the command you're going to type is vnc server stop -stop, exactly like that, and this is going to end the process. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.